This information is not exhaustive. Please refer to the instructions for use of each device and to the technical manuals. Attention! Adequate technical training is essential. The Flex ABS family of products includes several versions of fall arrest lanyards for work at height and rope access. All versions are certified to EN 355 and, except for the single energy absorber, they are also compliant with the requirements of VG11 for use in fall factor 2 conditions and for use over a sharp edge. Radius more or equal to 0.5 mm. A Flex ABS fall arrest lanyard is usually composed of 4 elements. The end loop, which allows for the connection to the user's harness. A progressive tearing energy absorber, protected by a reinforced zip pocket. 1 or 2 elastic reinforced arms. And 1 or 2 connectors for the connection to the anchor point. The Flex ABS family includes the Flex ABS energy absorber, the I and Y Flex ABS versions without terminal connector, I and Y Flex ABS Combi, equipped with light alloy wide opening connectors, and I and Y Flex ABS steel versions, equipped with robust steel connectors. All the versions provided with arms are available in 2 different lengths. Installation. Flex ABS lanyards can be installed using a EN362 connector, ideally oval-shaped, on the sternal attachment point or on the EN361 dorsal attachment point of a work harness. The terminal connectors will instead be connected to an anchor point complying with the requirements of EN 795 standards. Operating principles. Uses. The main function of an energy absorber is to dissipate the energy caused by a potential fall, keeping the intensity of the shock imposed on the user under an acceptable limit. The dispersion of the energy occurs thanks to the progressive tearing of the webbing that constitutes the device. Flex ABS fall arrest lanyards are used in a variety of work environments, including activities on lattice structures and towers, operations that require passing intermediate anchors or tasks on scaffolding.